Today we're taking a look at this copper pitcher. Holds 70 ounces of liquid. This is 100% pure copper, which is really nice. This is what it kind of looks like inside here. You can kind of get an overhead right over there. You can see it has the metal in there. It is kind of had these like nice little bevel lines, which is nice. Adds to it, which I really like. Another cool thing is they actually send you some paper, and they give you right over here some different recipes that you could use. They have one for a Moscow Mule. You got a mojito over here, black honey. I thought that was a really nice touch. This came packaged really well. This was wrapped with paper. There was bubble wrap on it, and then it was in a bag, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged at all. One thing to be aware of: when you put really cold liquids in here, this is going to get equally as cold, so just kind of be on the lookout for that. You're going to want to use the handle. Great for Moscow Mules, like we talked about. Water, just really nice. Or even if you just want to put this on your bar or whatever, just for some decor, really nice. If you're looking for a great copper pitcher that looks really nice, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.